Hello, Lions. I'm going to walk you through the changes that Google has made to an image search. So I am just going to go to google.com in my Omnibox up here, and I'm going to search tundra. Sorry, I'm going to search tundra, and then I'm going to click enter. And so now, in order to go to images, I'm going to click on the images link right here. And you'll notice up here, it's giving me different options. So I'm going to click on the climate. And so now I've got images for this. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to tools, and you're going to drop down tools, and then see right here where it says usage rights. You're going to click on that usage rights, and you'll notice it has limited options. You can see anything that's on the internet. You can see items that are under Creative Commons licenses, and then you can see items that are commercial and other licenses. So pretty much anytime you're using an image for school and you're using an image for a project or something like that, you are going to want to choose this Creative Commons licenses. And so whenever I click on this, it's going to pull up, now it's going to pull up images that should be, if their metadata is correct in there when they were put on the internet, then these images are going to be okay for you to use in your school projects, most likely without attribution, but I'm going to show you a couple of things. So let's say I want to use this item right here. So you'll notice right here it says license details. So this one, I just randomly picked one, and it says license details. So I can click on this, and it's going to tell me that this is an attribution 2.0 generic. You're free to share. You're free to adapt. I do not want to donate. And so this particular picture I can use safely because I've been able to click on the license details and see that it's free to use, free to share. So if I wanted to put this picture in a project that I'm doing for school, if I want to put it on, anything like that, I'm able to do that because the license agreement says that I can do that. So you want to look for those, and if it's free to use, free to share like that, then you most likely do not have to cite it. Now let's say I wanted to use this image and cite it. So I can click on it, and whenever I click on it, I can use my Cite This For Me extension right here, and depending on if you want MLA or APA, you can choose your citation style up here. And then I would use this if I wanted to go that extra step and provide that citation. But as long as it says on my license details, share, adapt in any medium, any format, then that's going to be okay, and I don't really have to cite it. It would be like using a picture from Unsplash or whatever. Now, so let's find another one. Let's look at this one. So this one, if I click on the license details, oh, it says the same. I can copy, redistribute, remix, transform, even commercially. So again, you want to try and find those images that have those license details that are free to use, share, etc., etc. If you find something from Pixabay or from Unsplash or any of those types of things, most likely those ones are going to be also free to use and share. So just look at where they're from, because the problem is, if you click on this and you have commercial and other licenses, the problem with these photos is that they are most likely copyrighted. And unless you're going to contact the person who put that image on the internet, who is the creator of that image, if you're not going to cite it, or if you are not going to contact them and ask for that permission, then you need to go ahead and make sure that you change this to Creative Commons licenses, and then choose photos that are under this type of license. If you have any questions about this and searching, please let me know, and I will be happy to help you at any point along the way if you're doing a project. Thanks, Lions.